Hello friends, in today's video I would be explaining the concept of presumptive taxation in Income Tax Act. There are few sections that deals with presumptive taxation like section 44AD, 44ADA and 44AE. But today our discussion would remain only around section 44AD. To begin with, we should know who are the eligible assessee that can opt for section 44AD. Benefit of section 44AD can be taken only by any resident individual, any resident HUF or any resident firm. But firm does not include limited liability partnership. This section is not applicable to assessees carrying on specified profession as referred in section 44AA subsection 1. Section 44AA subsection 1 covers professions relating to legal, medical, engineering, accountancy, etc. This section is also not applicable to assessees carrying business under section 44AE. Section 44AE covers assessees carrying business of plying, hiring or leasing of goods carriage. This section is also not applicable on assessees carrying any agency business, assessees carrying any business of commission or brokerage, assessees having turnover more than 2 crore, or assessees claiming deduction under section 10AA or deduction from section 80IA to 80RRB. Let us now move on to our next step of income calculation. Income under the head PGBP would be the sum of 6% of gross receipts which are received through electronic mode of transfer and 8% of gross receipts which are received through any other mode. Apart from the benefit of ease of income calculation, there are two other benefits of using section 44AD. The first benefit of section 44AD is that assessee is not required to maintain books of accounts and get it audited. The second benefit is that assessee would be required to pay only one installment of advance tax, that is 15th March of financial year. There are few important points to remember while applying section 44AD. These are: first, deduction of expenditure under section 30 to section 38 shall not be allowed. Second, deduction in respect of partner remuneration, salary, etc. under section 40 subsection B shall not be allowed. Third, if assessee declares income under this section and fails to declare income under this section in any of 5 consecutive years, then he becomes ineligible to take benefit of this section for next 5 years. Let us explain this point with an example. Rahul opts for section 44AD for financial year 2020-21. Then Rahul is required to opt for this section for next 5 financial years. Let us assume for financial year 23-24 he fails to opt for 44AD. Then he cannot opt for this section for next 5 financial years. In case Rahul's net taxable income is more than basic exemption limit in any of the next 5 financial year, then he would be liable to maintain books and get it audited. In case of any doubt, you may ask same in comment section.